I love you more every second. The words slip from my lips like a fervent prayer, carrying with them the weight of a truth I've come to hold dearer than life itself. Each syllable dances on the delicate threads of emotion, swirling in the boundless depths of my heart, echoing the rhythm of my every heartbeat. It's a sentiment born not from grand gestures or fleeting moments of passion, but from the quiet constancy of your existence in my life. With every passing moment, I find new reasons to fall deeper into the endless abyss of affection that you've carved within me. Your laughter, like a melody that soothes the weary soul, reverberates through the chambers of my mind, etching its harmony into the very essence of my being. In the gentle cadence of your voice, I find solace, a refuge from the cacophony of the outside world. Your words, laden with warmth and understanding, wrap around me like a comforting embrace, grounding me in a reality where love knows no bounds. It's in those fleeting seconds where time seems to stretch into eternity that I realize the magnitude of the emotions that tether me to you. With each passing second, my love for you unfurls like a delicate blossom, its petals unfurling in the gentle caress of the morning sun. It's a love that transcends the confines of space and time, stretching across the vast expanse of existence to find its home in the sanctuary of your arms. But it's not just the grand moments that fuel the flames of my affection. It's the mundane, the ordinary, the simple joys that we share in the quiet intimacy of our togetherness. From stolen glances across a crowded room to the whispered conversations in the stillness of the night, each moment with you is a treasure I hold close to my heart. And so, as the seconds melt into minutes and the minutes into hours, know that my love for you only grows stronger with each passing breath. For in you I've found not just a lover, but a kindred spirit, a confidant, a soulmate whose presence illuminates the darkest corners of my existence. I love you more every second, I whisper once more, letting the words linger in the air like a promise, a testament to the boundless depths of my affection.